Number 1. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Coupe, $3,600, Seattle, Washington. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Coupe is a rare and appealing example of Chevrolet's rear-engine classic from the mid-1960s. Finished in hard-to-find Tahitian turquoise with a white interior, it remains largely original, including factory paint and trim, with only the carpet and headliner replaced. Power comes from the desirable 110 horsepower 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Originally a Southern California car, it benefits from a cleaner history and solid condition. The engine recently started and ran after a new battery installation, making this an affordable entry into classic ownership. Number 2. 1965 Chrysler New Yorker, $4,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1965 Chrysler New Yorker represents peak full-size American luxury. It is powered by a 413 cubic inch V8 producing 360 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. The car runs, drives, and stops properly, with most electrical systems functioning. The original interior shows expected sunwear, adding character to this Arizona survivor. Equipped with power seats, power windows, tilt steering, and power brakes, this New Yorker offers strong presence and excellent value. Number 3. 1974 Buick Century, $8,495, Sparks, Nevada. This 1974 Buick Century sedan is a well-maintained 70s midsize with strong mechanical updates. It features a rebuilt V8 engine, new interior, dual Flowmaster exhaust, and new wheels and tires. Showing 71,451 miles, the car runs strong and presents very well. Known for comfort and reliability, this Century is a great choice for regular classic use. Number 4. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle Sedan, $8,800, San Francisco, California. This 1970 Volkswagen Beetle Sedan is a standout finished in bright canary yellow. It shows 26,800 miles with an odometer rollover noted and remains in excellent condition. The rebuilt engine has only 4,100 miles and is still under warranty. Owned by the same person for 50 years, this Beetle reflects the simplicity and reliability that made the model world famous. Number 5. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, $9,500, Sparks, Nevada. This 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is a late 70s luxury icon showing 87,000 original miles and remaining completely original. Family owned since new, it runs well and is increasingly difficult to find in this condition. Finished in brown with a clean title, it represents Cadillac comfort and prestige. Although it no longer wears white wall tires, It remains a strong survivor with collector appeal. Number 6. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $10,000, Ferndale, Washington. This 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray offers classic sports car performance with modern updates. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 with fewer than 500 miles, paired with an automatic transmission. Upgrades include new brakes, new tires, fresh paint, and a 3-inch exhaust system, showing 14,528 miles. This Corvette runs and drives very well and represents excellent value. Number 7. 1978 Ford Thunderbird, $6,000, Show Low, Arizona. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird coupe is a solid project with strong potential. Powered by a modified 351 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs well and retains its original paint and interior. It shows 68,000 miles with an odometer rollover noted. While it needs interior repairs, air conditioning service, and a gauge cluster housing, the body and glass are in good condition. Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet Impala Wagon, $6,500, Victorville, California. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala Wagon is a desirable full-size cruiser from the golden era of American cars. It is equipped with the original 283 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, along with factory air conditioning. Although the title status is missing, it is described as clean with no back fees. Impala wagons continue to grow in popularity, and this example offers a solid foundation. Number 9. 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 4-door, $6,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 4-door sedan features thoughtful mechanical upgrades while retaining originality. Powered by the original inline 6-cylinder engine, it has been converted to a fully rebuilt C4 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The interior has been fully reupholstered, and extensive weather sealing has been completed. With 44,000 miles showing, it needs a brake master cylinder and a new battery to return to the road. Number 10. 1967 Cadillac Deville Convertible, $12,995, Dallas, Texas. This 1967 Cadillac Deville Convertible is a true luxury classic with a strong ownership history, remaining Texas-owned since new, and with the same owner for 24 years. Finished in white over red leather, it is powered by a 429 cubic inch V8 producing 340 horsepower and a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. Fully loaded with power features, automatic climate control, power top, and original documentation, this DeVille represents peak 1960s Cadillac style. Number 11. 1965 Pontiac 2+2, 7750 Bremerton, Washington. This 1965 Pontiac 2+2 is a serious muscle-era project with strong factory performance roots. Originally equipped with a 421 cubic inch engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it now features a 1972 455 cubic inch V8. The car includes extensive spare parts and correct trim. While it needs brake work and body repairs, solid floors and rockers make it a valuable restoration candidate. Number 12. 1954 Chevrolet Handyman 210 Wagon, $13,000, Coos Bay, Oregon. This 1954 Chevrolet Handyman 210 Wagon is a well-preserved early 1950s classic. Powered by the original 235 cubic inch inline-six and a column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission, it runs smoothly and shows 82,000 original miles. The body and interior remain in excellent condition with only minor rust noted. As one of the most desirable early Chevrolet wagons, this Handyman offers charm and strong collector appeal.